Are you having problems with too many requests on your Wix app and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So actually, I had like a similar problem myself, and the way that I fixed it was that I firstly closed my Wix app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And now on the settings app, what I did in here was that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. And on this page, I just scrolled down a little bit and then I clicked on storage. And then I just waited a little bit for this page to completely load. And when it's done, we're going to scroll up like this, as you can see. And then on top, you will be able to see like a search bar, right? So click on the search bar. Now just search for Wix and click on it. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is great. So on this page, you're just going to click on Upload App, and once again, click on Upload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again, and just wait for your Wix app to actually complete the loading process in here, as you can see. So I guess that what happens when you actually do this, you're kind of like updating your Wix app to the latest version, and you're kind of like resetting the app. It shouldn't log you out of your account, just so you know, but what happens instead is that it's going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version. So when it was done loading, I just went back into the Wix app myself, and now I didn't get any errors whatsoever. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.